Hey guys, what's up? Today, this is an over recording of my voice, and practically, well, baby bird and human versus two cats. So like, you can see that's one of my cats there, named Max, and there's my other one, Kitten. She's looking at the bird. If you can't tell where it is, it's that little thing next to that, those, I was about to say leaves, but they'd be like, no help whatsoever. You'll see real soon where it is. But I'd like to take this time to, well, I'm now on holiday. I was on holiday since 12 today. So about, no, 11 hours ago. Which I'm happy with. And, like, so there's probably going to be more videos in the future. Yeah. And just saying that baby bird's alive in the video. It's not anymore, but this is like a few days after recording it. So yay! And I'd like to say thank you guys for watching my videos. Subscribe if this is your new if you're new here, blah blah blah. Like, share with your friends, and they can share with you. And it's like a circle of life. And as we're coming to an end, hope you enjoyed and have a fantastic rest of the school year / holiday. Have to do a good Christmas as well. That's in a few weeks. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed. And just carry on watching my cats kill a bear. Yeah. I hope you enjoyed, and see you next time.